Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to share some very cool tips for balanced parenting which I have been following since quite some time, and all the mothers are gonna get benefit. So first and most important quality which I really want my kids to learn is being resilient. Maybe we are able to give them a beautiful life right now, maybe we are capable of providing them with everything in our power, but life can be very harsh sometimes, and I think we all have gone through those tough phases. Sometimes you have to handle everything on your own and everything all alone. So I want to prepare them for these difficult phases which they may have in their life. If they don't have them, well and good, but it's better to prepare them. So we need to make our kids resilient. The second most important quality which I really want my kids to have is patience. In the time of this lockdown, when in the time of this pandemic, when schools are closed, they do not have access to their friends, they are not coming to our house, my kids are not going out, we have no outdoor activities. This time is really very tough for them. Still I want them to have patience for some new toy or some toffees or some chocolates. So if they'll have patience, they'll realize something which we call as delayed gratification. Now it is seriously amazing quality, and patience is its first step. So seriously we need to have lots and lots of patience in our kids. Now third thing is time management. Now because there is no school, sometimes the kids, they lose the track of time, they don't know when to get up, when to take care of themselves, when to go and take bath, when to have breakfast. So it is so important that we need to intervene right now and make a schedule for them, so that they know now this is the time we need to get up, this is the by this time we should be done with our breakfast. When I go to the hospital, I usually give them some homework, like I'll be coming back in next 4-5 hours and I want you to finish all these things. My daughter writes table, my son, he does some coloring or whatsoever. So all these type of things. So it is very important, like my intervention in their life right now is very important, so that they do not feel bored and they have some activity to keep on doing. Fourth is financial management. Like if I buy something, if I buy some new toy or some new colors or some cool stuff for them, I want them to value that. I want them to realize that it is their parents' hard earned money, and I want them to feel very grateful about that. The fifth thing is nutrition. Very important, because I remember when I was a kid, we have no access to any junk food. Like we used to eat food which is made by which is cooked by my mother, which was usually dal, chawal, roti, sabzi, some salad or some seasonal fruits. And right now our kids, they have access to pizza and burger, and we buy them so frequently, and Zomato and Swiggy, we can just order that with one swipe. We can have them at our doorstep with one swipe, and we can afford all of that very easily. And I don't know what they add in that food, it is very addicting. You want to have more and more of that. So I really make sure that my kids, they stick to basic food, they stick to basic home cooked, nutritionally dense food, which is going to help them build up their immunity, build up their character. So I know that nutrition is very important, and I make sure that they get proper nutrition. I do give them some supplements like some calcium, some multivitamin. If you want, I can make a separate video on that. Outdoor activities are very important. So I make sure in the evening I usually take them for cycling, or some basketball, or we play badminton, or we play some hide and seek, or all those type of games, and they enjoy that a lot. And we have to make that effort for their kid. I'm very bad. I never used to play all these games with my kids, but now I know that we need to do all these things, because they are not going to school. They really, it is very hard for them to handle this pandemic. We can handle it in much better manner. So I really make sure that my kids get all my support to handle this. Few more life skills I always teach them, like I ask my daughter to help me in kitchen, or help me with laundry, or help me with dusting my house, or take care of her stuff, organize her almirah, organize her drawers. So all these things are very essential. This is known as a balanced parenting. This is known as the interactive parenting, and Believe me, it's been really nice, it's been really amazing, and hum sab, like we all are managing things quite well because of this balanced approach. I pamper them, but I never overdo that. I want them to be grateful for everything they have in their life. I don't want them to complain at all, because I always tell them that there are many children who are not as fortunate as you are. So you should value everything you have right now. You should make the best utilization of time you have. You should make best utilization of opportunities which you have in your life. So I think these are very important qualities or important life skills which we need to teach our kids. So thank you, thanks a lot for listening.